What's up, good people? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm actually going to try to do two things at once. Of course, that means multitasking, so I guess I didn't really think that through. At any rate, I'm going to give you a product review and try to improve the lighting in my garage here. Now, if you're a regular viewer of my channel, then you know all the work that I do. I just do in my modest, two-car garage here at home. And that's all well and fine, especially when the weather's good and I can have the door open. It's lit okay. But if I put the door down, which, you kind of have to do like in the wintertime or inclement weather, well, then it gets a little darker. The only lighting that I have in here, now that garage door light, that'll go out at some point. It's on an auto thingy, timer, it counts down. Aside from that, these two LED shop lights are the only lights that I have here in the garage. So I have, what you might call dark spaces, okay? Especially in the corners. This is basically the look of my shop right now. So we're going to see if we can improve on that. But first, I think I'm going to put the door back up so I can see something. Let there be light. I get these companies that reach out to me all the time, when you have a YouTube channel. And even if you don't have a very big YouTube channel, you get hit up with, hey, how about, doing a video on this, that, and the other thing. Perfume, furniture, breast pumps, food processors, and I turn 99.999% of them down. But when Hykoont reached out to me and said, hey, would you do a product review video on our LED Hexagon garage lighting? Well, I was like, sure. So they said, great, and sent me this little box, which we have to open up and figure out what's what here. Oh, a Bossy Around booklet. Apparently, they got all these different pattern options. Well, listen, I'm not good at puzzles. Power cord, hardware, a whole bunch of these clear plastic thingies. Some of them are deuce and some of them are trace. Zip ties. Looks like these are the light strips. And it looks to be, I don't know, how many's in here? Let's see, it's a 5 hexagon kit. So what's 5? Let's see, a hexagon is that's 6 sides, right? So it should there be 30 of these? I don't know, it's too early for my gazintas. 1 gazinta 2, 2 gazinta 4. Let's just get all these out, and we'll see what we got here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 24. How's that work? I guess some of them are used in, I don't know, we'll figure it out. Package includes 5 hex. Oh, it says there's supposed to be 25. Did I count 25? Looks like a xylophone. That was horrible. 8, 10, 12, 14. Oh, there is 25. Okay. So they can count better than me. So this says the 5 hex kit, okay, is 144 watts. All right, it runs on 110, or I guess you could do 240. And it's 5,500 to 6,000 K on your LED. You can do a wall mount or a ceiling mount. And it also looks like you can either hang them, suspend them, or just attach them to the ceiling. There's a 2-year warranty and greater than 30,000 hours of working time. Yeah, all that works for me. Step 1, lighting structure should be assembled on the floor before mounting. Okay, so we got to figure out what shape or however we want. I told you. All right, look. Puzzles, maybe I should go get my kid. See, we have all of these. We got Y connectors and whatever. These are Y connectors, and I guess these would be V connectors. Anyway, let's put something together here and see what it looks like. Before y'all comment, I know the floor needs scrubbing. It's on my to-don't list. Guys, standing here looking at my shape going, I know that's right. You know, I'm not like a genius or anything, but I got an extra. And after reading the book, it says, hey, we sent you an extra. Cool. Also got these extra connectors, you know, different configurations, but I think we're going to go with that. You know, putting these things together is actually pretty easy. You just, you know, they just clip into these connectors, and they got, you know, prongs and little clips and stuff. Just put it in there. Boom. Each one of these connectors has this little tab here, and that's how you, you know, that's how you can either use zip ties if it's hanging, or you can use your anchors and screws if you're attaching it straight to the ceiling, which is what we're going to do. I gotta get some measurements here, you know, make sure we put this up in the right spot. Let's see, right around in here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right. Measure once, hang twice, up and at them, or you're gonna need somebody to help you do this. Oh yeah, this is no problem at all. Yeah, I got it up there. Now, I didn't use the hardware that they sent because my ceiling is drywall. I didn't want to, you know, do the bunch of anchors thing. So I just used drywall screws, but it's fine because it's lightweight. You know, there's not a lot of weight to it. And it's up there. It's up there fine. Last part of this whole deal is this cord that they sent. They say 5 feet. Yeah. So you get this 5 foot, just, you know, plug in cord here. So let's plug it up. Let's plug this joker up. See what we got. Holy crap. Oh, that's fantastic. Look at that. Fancy. Well, I will tell you this. It made a big difference in my lighting. Check that out. Yeah, look how that lights up versus the... I thought the ones I had in here were good, but they look yellow now. Actually, it looks better if I just turn those off. Of course, the true test will be with the door down. No. Looks like a science lab in here now. It's all cool and high tech. Definitely don't have the dark corners up here anymore, so that's awesome. I like a nice bright shop, so this is much better. Now, like I said at the beginning, this is a product review, so I got to give you the skinny on these Hykoont Hexagon LED garage lights. I like it. It's bright, it's pretty, it's cool looking up there. It was lightweight, very easy to put together. Just snap it and plug it in and you're good to go. If your shop has higher ceilings, you probably even get better performance out of these because, you know, the light will have more time to flow out, whereas my ceilings are right here. I think my only criticism of these lights would be that cord. It's a 5 foot plugged cord. And so I think Hykoont, maybe you should consider a longer cord, maybe one that's switched. But if you're looking to put these lights in your shop, just know and plan ahead that you need a receptacle within 5 feet and maybe one on a switch. And if you're like a pro electrician or whatever, sure you could figure out a way to hardwire it in. But aside from that, these things are really cool and pretty easy to do. It's like Battlestar Galactica. Anyway, this is going to make the front of my shop, which was my problem area, much better for me to work in. This is really cool, and I think I might even see about getting another set in here because these are awesome. All right, so if you think you would like to have these Hykoont Hexagon LED garage lights in your shop, I'm going to have a link in the description for you to go to their website and check out all their LED offerings. Plus, there's going to be a link in there to get 15% off if you make a purchase using that link. I'm not sponsored. It's just an opportunity for my viewers to get something cool at a discount. All right, I got other work to do. We'll see you real soon.